Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this twisted mohawk on locks. So if you'd like to see how it's done, keep on watching. Alright, Loc Nation, so to start this style, you want to put your hair into 3 ponytails, just like I have here. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom, okay? And once you've put your hair into 3 ponytails, we're going to take the first 2 sections, the top and the middle, and we're going to go ahead and 2-strand twist these 2 sections. We're going to be leaving the bottom section, the last ponytail at the bottom, we're going to be leaving this out. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and 2-strand twist this top section here. And if you don't know how to 2-strand twist, I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick tutorial. You want to twist, hold up, you want to twist as you twist, if it makes sense. So just pay attention here. I'm going to twist and twist, twist and twist, twist and twist, twist. Continue all the way down, twist and twist. Continue all the way down, twist as you twist. Gonna take a rubber band, 2 of them to be exact, and put it at the end of the twist. Now I'm gonna show you guys a quick trick, okay? See how, can you see how the ends of this twist has little stragglers? So to get rid of those stragglers, you want to go ahead and just kind of take it and kind of tuck it inside. Hold up. You want to go ahead and take them and kind of tuck them inside the twist like this. Okay, tuck them inside the twist just like that to get rid of them so that they won't be sticking out. Okay, just a quick little tip. Stick them inside the twist. And see, I have 2 here. I'm going to stick them inside in the middle so they won't be sticking out. Even down here. Well, down here really doesn't matter, but as you can see, now there are no little stragglers. And do the second section in a double strand twist, and like I said, you're going to twist as you twist, just like this, all the way down the lock. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a rubber band and put it at the end, and don't worry about the stragglers. I showed y'all what to do with those. So you're gonna need some hairpins to do this style. We're gonna go ahead and take the top double strand twist, chunky twist, and we're gonna wrap it around the top of her head just like this. Okay, we're gonna wrap it around like you're doing a bun. Okay, and we're gonna let it hang to this side just a little bit, just to be a little bit, tiny bit of a bun. Okay, wrap it around like that. Bring it around, and just like that. Right, and now we're gonna take our pins and we're going to secure this into place. I'm gonna take a pin, secure this, like that. Tuck my little stragglers there, tuck them in. Tuck my little stragglers in so they won't show. Put a pin here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put a pin back here. Secure that. So I used 3 pins so far. I'm just gonna add a pin on this side just to secure to make sure. Okay. But this is pretty pretty secure. I don't think I need, I'm gonna put one in the front. Put one in the front, just to make sure. Okay. Now for the second twist, we are going to take this particular twist and we're gonna go up. We're gonna go like this, make it go up, kind of like an N. Okay, tuck that in. We're gonna cover that part, but we're gonna make it go up like that, loop it in that direction. So we're looping it in this direction, okay? We're looping it in this direction. And we're going to squeeze it together like that. And this is how we're going to secure this back section, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add some pins to secure that. Very easy style. This is a style that you can do on medium hair. You can also do this on short hair too. It won't be as big, but you know, you can do this on medium length hair. So once we loop it like this, you want to kind of squeeze it together like this. All right, squeeze it together like that and pin it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Squeeze it. I'm going to put the first pin right here, secure that, and I'm going to put the next pin right over here. Okay, so secure that right here into place so it doesn't move. Okay, now you can see this section right here, there's like a little gap. You want to push this like that and kind of secure it into place in that way. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this side pin out and I'm going to do that top part first, okay? Because you want this to come down very comfortably the way it's supposed to. You don't want anything pulling. So I'm going to just put that up there. And what I'm doing is kind of just moving it up, something like that, okay? And I'm about to secure it right there. Stick a pin in there to secure it, just like that. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna kind of stick one right in here, secure that part, just like that. See? And coming along good. Since I'm squeezing it together, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it and then put a pin right here at the bottom to keep that in place where I want it to be. Okay, so while I squeeze it together, I'm gonna put one on this side right down here. Right. As a matter of fact, I think the smartest thing to do would be to put the pin, squeeze it together, and then put the pin upward like that so that it stays in place. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to take this one out. So I hope you guys can see. Sorry about that. And I'm going to go ahead and put a pin down here. I'm going to make it go upward just like that so it can stay in place. Do I need a pin on this side? Probably not, but just for extra security, I'm just going to put one over there right here. Stick a pin there. And so far this is super cute, y'all. Now here's the deal. Now that we have pinned down our 2 double strand twists, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick 2 small pins right here just so that they stay together. And these are the shorter pins. Stick that right there so it stays together. Short pin, stick that right there so it stays together. Boom, just like that. Now you see this bottom part right here. What I'm actually going to do is bring it down and around this ponytail here, because the bottom ponytail we're actually going to be leaving out. So I'm going to tuck my little straggler that I have here, and what I'm going to do is take 2 little rubber bands. 2 little rubber bands, okay? I'm gonna take this and wrap it around this ponytail, okay? Now I'm gonna use the rubber band to kind of just the end of that hair, put it right there. So I may not even have to use a pin because I'm just gonna use the rubber band to hold that into place, okay? Just like that. Put a rubber band on there. You guys can see that? And I'm gonna try to like just, now these little stragglers here, don't worry about that because you're not gonna be able to see it. So I don't need to use a pin. This one here, I'm just gonna tuck it. My little straggler, well, you're not gonna be able to see this either. So what we're gonna do now is take a couple of locks. We're gonna take about 3 locks, okay? And we're going to wrap it around the base, the top of this ponytail or the base of this mohawk. And just start wrapping it around. And we're going to use these 3 locks to lay down those little short pieces that came from the end of this chunky twist. Okay, see there's a short piece right there. We're going to just let the 3 locks cover it just like that. Wrap it around, bring it down a little bit. Hold up, she's moving. All right, that's fine. Bring it down a little bit like that. I'm gonna leave this one around the back because it just looks like it's not gonna fit. So bring it down a little bit like that. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it behind the locks that are wrapped around the back. Just kind of pull it a little bit. I'll make it to stay up. And there you have it. Little ponytail, fix it how you want it to be. Can you guys see that? Now, that's pretty much the style, y'all. That is super cute. Little mohawk style. Before we get into the next part of the lock tutorial, I wanted to show you guys the 2 different ways that you could actually wear this style. One with the bubble ponytail and one without the bubble ponytail. Comment down below and let me know which one you prefer. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below and let me know what you think about this twisted mohawk. Share this video on your Instagram or your Facebook, wherever you share cool stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.